Hello guys, this is Dr. Zafar Habib Khan, and today we'll talk about the things that you can avoid in breastfeeding and the things that you can take in breastfeeding. First, we will talk about the things that we can avoid in breastfeeding are the coffee, tea, chocolates, fish, peppermint, and garlic are the things, and the alcohol is the main thing that you can avoid in breastfeeding. Secondly, we will talk about the things that you can eat in breastfeeding that will give your baby a nutrition and a vitamin source. So, first of all, you can take dairy products and grains that will give you the energy and your baby a boost up of energy. Thirdly, we will talk about the vegetables. Then proteins are the things you can must take in breastfeeding, and then fruits, and then last but not the least is the water. You have to take maximize amount of water in breastfeeding. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.